Today, we will be learning about the Rove 6 Portable Oxygen Concentrator by Inogen. The Inogen Rove 6 Portable Oxygen Concentrator has a pulse setting range of 1 to 6. It is battery operated, FAA approved, and is provided by Home Oxygen Company with an AC and DC power adapter. This portable concentrator provided by Home Oxygen Company comes with a convenient carry bag, along with a shoulder strap and a hand carry strap. Other features of the bag are a convenient pocket located on the front to carry your supplies, as well as a little flap to protect the LED screen. To remove the portable oxygen concentrator from the bag, lift up on this flap and pull your portable oxygen concentrator out of the bag. So your Inogen Rove 6 portable oxygen concentrator has some features on it. You have an exhaust vent. You have 2 intake vents, one on each side. And you also have the charging port where you would connect your AC or DC power cord. So on your Inogen Rove 6, you have your power on and off button. You have your bell button. This button here is to silence the no breath alarm. You have your plus and minus to adjust the pulse setting on your portable oxygen concentrator. And you have your audible alarm adjustment to adjust the volume of the audible alarm on your portable oxygen concentrator. Here is your digital display where it'll show your pulse setting, your battery life. Here is the nipple where you would connect your oxygen cannula to. To turn your Inogen Rove 6 on, press your on and off button, hold it for a second until you see this digital screen pop up. You will notice there is a warm-up time on this Inogen Rove 6, notated by this signal here. This can take up to 2 minutes. As you see, it went away already. That means the Inogen Rove 6 is producing oxygen. On the display, you have your liter flow setting. You have your audible alarm volume. You have your no breath alarm detection. You have your battery percentage. To adjust the pulse setting on your portable oxygen concentrator, use the plus or minus button. To power your Inogen Rove 6 down, just press your power button till that icon pops up and your portable oxygen concentrator will power down. To remove the portable battery on your portable oxygen concentrator Rove 6, simply press down this lever and slide out. To reinstall your battery on your Inogen Rove 6, slide it in, make sure you hear the click. So weekly maintenance, there is an intake filter on each side, this side and this side. If you just push down this little lever, pop that out. You can wash this under warm water in your sink, get it really good and dry. Slide it back in there.